Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary is napping. I'm hoping for a long nap because we went to soft play today, and you know how soft play wears out those little ones. So I was like, do you know what? I'm going to throw on a bit of lipstick and do a little bit of filming. And today I am unboxing the brand new January Glossybox. Oh my God, how is it January 2024? It's wild. I still think about the fact that, like, when I first heard the Pulp song Disco 2000, I was like, oh my God, it will be crazy when it's the year 2000. That was 24 years ago, you know, when you're like, what happened? Where did time go? How old am I? Anyway, here is the new Glossybox. I'm going to unbox it and yeah, show you what's inside. I genuinely have no clue. This is my first time seeing it, so I hope it's a good one. I hope it's a good one. Last December and last November, they really spoiled us with the boxes, so I'm sure it won't be as good as them, but I'm hoping it will be pretty good. So yeah, let's have a look. Look at it, so pretty. I love the presentation. The presentation of Glossyboxes is so good, and I've started saving all the ribbons because I'm gonna make Christmas decorations with them next year. Just saying. Anyway, ooh la la. Hello. Okay, I'm seeing something I'm loving already, but I'm just going to pick all the items out at random and yeah, let's have a look. So these are Glow On Fifth Beauty. I don't know this brand, but they're eye patches. I always need an eye patch, so I'm looking forward to these. I love an eye patch. They're something I don't usually treat myself to, but when I get them, I love them. They're such a good treat. And you know, when you have like a toddler, you really do need those eye patches. Anyway, next thing that I have is by Grum, and it's a pulse point roller. This is for deep relaxation. I think it's full size because it looks full size. Normally these rollers are either this size or smaller, and I'm just gonna put it on and have a sniff. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I love that. Oh, it smells really clean. Oh, you know when you're like, I can't put my finger on what it smells like. It's got lavender in, chamomile. It's just really lovely. It smells really clean, really soothing, really relaxing. Yeah, it's quite heavily of chamomile in a really good way. Oh, that's lovely. I am going to put that on tonight when I go to bed. I love that. So that is the next item. And then we have a hand balm. Ooh. Oh, cool. We have a hand cream. And I think it's got a little CBD in, so I am going to be smelling good, feeling chilled, like looking like I've had a full night's sleep with this box. I am all in. Let's give it a go. What does it smell like? How does it feel? Oh, it doesn't smell great. It's kind of unscented. You know when you're like, it's unscented and just kind of like smells, oh actually, no, do you know what I can smell? I can smell parsnip. Yeah, I was like, it smells really vegetable-y. And now I've just realized it's because I've just put a parsnip soup in the oven and I did not wash my hands. I was like, God, it smells really weird. It smells of onions and parsnips because I've just put a parsnip soup in. That's so funny. Okay, I can't judge what it smells like. I think it's unfragranced and all I can smell is the vegetables on my hand. That is so embarrassing. But it feels lovely. It's really rich. It feels lovely, really hydrating. It's a good pre-bed one, you know, where you can just let it work its magic. It's rich, it's nourishing, it feels great. Yes. Does it smell good? I don't know. I smell of parsnip, so who knows? Okay, next item is, oh, cool. A mitt. It's a 2-in-1 exfoliating glove. Lovely. You know when you're like, I was looking at my shower poof this morning and thinking, I need to buy a new one of these. So now I don't need to. That's lovely. So yeah, it's a little wash mitt and an exfoliating mitt, depending on how you want to wear it. Ooh, can you hear that? Ooh, it's quite ASMR-y. Yeah, looking forward to using this. I needed one, so thank you very much. How do Glossybox know what I need? Okay, and then the final item, which might be my favourite, a little bit of Molton Brown. Thank you very much. So this is the Coastal Cypress Sea Fennel. It's just a small bottle, but it's enough for a fair few baths. Oh, and it smells so good. Again, it smells so good with a hint of parsnip. That's such a weird sensation. You know, when you're like, I know what this smells like so accurately. And now it's like I can smell this plus parsnip. So weird. Top tip, before you film, wash your hands, especially if you've been cooking, because it makes all your products smell so weird. Anyway, that is the last product. It's Molton Brown. It's the Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. It is a gorgeous scent, one of their best sellers. And this is only small, it's 50 mils. Oh, I just dropped it. But it's enough for quite a few baths, so I'm gonna love it. I hope you love it too. That's my contents. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry I am a big old chaotic mess. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.